Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys, for clicking. Oh my goodness, thank you for the sweet love you're giving on my content. I love you so much, guys. And if you're new here, please don't bypass without subscribing. Okay, today we are going to talk about the dryness of locks. Why your locks are drying, girl. Why your locks drying? Here I'm gonna give you 5 reasons why your locks are drying, or why my locks used to dry. As you know my story, before I give you this, I gotta tell you my story. My story is already on my content. I was that little girl in high school who was bullied a lot because I did not have hair. Not that I did not have hair, but I did not have fancy hair that people call fancy hair. Wait a minute, let me put my glasses. I feel like I do well when I put my glasses on, okay? Yes, now I can see really well. So I was bullied a lot because my hair was short and my hair was, which color I can say, was dark. It was not dark hair, but it was a brownish, but light brownish hair. So, and it was not growing. And now when I'm thinking back, I really feel bad with the bullies. That's why I say all the time, whenever you see a bully who is bullying somebody's features, who is bullying somebody's hair, please stop the bullies. Let's all stop the bullies, because this is the same girl who was being bullied because of her hair. But now you can see this girl has fuller locks and her locks are growing, okay? But today we are talking about the dryness of the locks. Why my locks used to dry, or why my hair used to dry, and what am I doing today to change that? But I'm gonna give you reasons. Reason number 1 why your locks are getting dry, it's because basically you are putting nothing on your locks. Nothing. No water, no nothing. That means if you're doing nothing, your locks are going to cry and your locks are going to crack, and your skin or your scalp is going to crack, and your locks are going to get dry. So what you can do, number 2, is to put moisture back in your hair. How am I gonna put moisture? Umoto. Hey, look what I have. This is water. You can basically pure water, or I use distilled water, or I use this water. I use purified water. Put it in here, like this water here is this water here. So I use the water to kind of hydrate my scalp, or to kind of give my scalp moisture so that my scalp can breathe, so that I can get hair not to dry. So guys, reason number 2, give your hair some moisture. Spray water, because your skin is crying, your hair is crying, it needs moisture. This is the reason why it's drying, because you're not putting moisture enough. And besides putting moisture, you are not drinking water. Girl, you're not hydrating enough. The reason being, what you put inside, it's what comes outside. Can you imagine our body is struggling, or your scalp is struggling to breathe, but there's nothing to breathe in? But if you put inside water, and I'm saying water, your scalp is going to get hydrated, and your locks are going to grow. The hair is going to grow, and it's going to get thicker and healthier, and of course you're going to look beautiful. All right, reason number 3, girl, are you the girl who is dyeing your hair? You know, people used to dye hair so much. If you dye your locks or you dye your hair, definitely this dyeing, they have chemicals. And then when they have chemicals, they are going to kill your hair, or your locks are going to be basically dead. So if you dye your hair too much and you use the dyes that have chemicals, your locks are going to die, and they're not going to be alive. And that's why you are ended up getting dry locks. So basically, that is number 3. All right, let me think of number 4. Number 4 is that you are not protecting your hair enough. Girl, when you have your body, or you have a small child, or you have something that you are taking care of, you have to protect it. That means you have these locks. I need to protect my locks. How am I going to protect my locks? That means when I'm sleeping, I have to put protective gear or something that is gonna protect my hair. That means I'm not gonna be sleeping just like this and all night I'm wiggling my hair, I'm scratching my hair, I'm pressing my hair, and everything that the moisture that I had there is going on my bed and it's not retaining so that it can make my locks not to dry. What do I mean that? Make sure you check your pillowcases that you sleep with, the sheets that you cover yourself with, the bonnet that you wear, like this one's here, guys. I love this bonnet right here. It's so huge and it's satin. And let me show you. Oh, this is the new one I got. I have the old one, this one, but I got the new one also here. Let me read for you what they say about this. This is a premium satin bonnet. It's a premium satin bonnet, and I got this from Walmart. Walmart is a store here, department store. So I got it from Walmart. They say it's a lightweight, breathable. It's breathable. You hear the word breathable? It is breathable. It is soft and stretchy and wide enough. Okay. And they say it's super jumbo hair cap to hold long, thicker, and natural hairstyle. Guys, I love this thing. The thing is that when you wear it and you sleep, you don't worry about your locks getting dry because the locks in here, they're getting moisture, and this thing, it's meant to retain the moisture, so your locks are locking in here, they're just dancing in here, and they're feeling good. So all the time, make sure you protect your style, and you can protect your style all season. You know, we have summer, we have winter, we have fall. So every season you have to know how to protect your locks, especially when winter. Make sure what are you going to put on your winter season. You're going to put maybe a cap, you want hats, you want maybe you can even wash a leave-in conditioner, you want to wear a wrap, you know, something that is going to protect your locks. Treat your locks like you treat yourself, okay? Or a baby, protecting a baby from the cold, protecting a baby from the hot sun, protecting the baby from the wind. So protect your locks, okay? Yes, another thing that I'm gonna say is make sure whenever you wash your locks, deep condition your locks, because if you're not deep conditioning your locks, that means the dirt and everything is building up on your locks and you are not conditioning them enough. And when you are finishing conditioning, make sure you dry your locks really well so that they can not finish the water but retain the water that is enough for them not to dry. Girl, I'm sweating right here. Let me know what you think of this point. Let me know. Or you can add some down here, or you can subtract some down there. Hey, it's me who has the locks, natural locks. And again, guys, about this channel. This channel, I'm trying to be authentic as I can because it's me growing these locks. The girl who never had hair, now I'm experiencing. This is my first time actually growing these locks, and I'm loving it every step. And I want to tell anybody out there who is starting to grow the locks, the starter locks, if you're starting, if you're in the middle, you're stuck, I'm growing and I'm seeing the results, and that's why I'm telling you every little thing that I'm doing with these locks so that we all together can have beautiful and happy and fancy and beautiful locks. Guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and thank you so much for your likes, and thank you so much for sharing. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.